We're off in just a few minutes.
I'm Aubrey, and since moving onto the ocean over 10 years ago with my tiny pink boat, I've been dreaming of a big, beautiful pirate ship. And finally, I did it.
All right, we've installed the starter.
My big kids are almost grown now, and we've seen the beauty of nature and the power of the wind and the magnificence of the sea. Now I have a beautiful new baby on board, and we are about to embark on a brand new adventure from this beautiful pirate ship. We are headed to the Panama Canal. Join us for an adventure of a lifetime.
It feels like it's been forever! Watch out! Someone hollering at us? Probably.
We stretch our legs for the last time before our almost 3-day passage from San Agustin to Chiapas, Mexico. So far, we felt pretty safe as women traveling through Mexico, but we're about to take on the most treacherous sail in Mexico and arrive in one of the most dangerous places, Chiapas.
Yeah, you did. Beep, beep. Beautiful water, right? You got this. I believe in you. Had to happen to someone at some point.
Oh my god. It happened earlier almost.
Nice job on the ding dong. Okay, I'll go pull us up. The big Tehuantepec crossing, and I'm a little nervous. I don't know. I'm not nervous. I have nerves. This has been planned and replanned and double-checked and triple-checked by other sailors, so I feel good about it. I think I'm just gonna feel really good once I get past this Chiapas point on the map, because it's kind of like my failing point from last time. Just saw a manta ray so big my heart jumped. Oh my gosh, it was as wide as the boat. It was crazy. I'm hoping we see another one. There's a ponga over here if you can see them, and I think they are scouting something, but a cool way to start our trip to Chiapas.
Jordan's boyfriend joins us for this leg of the journey, and it felt different having a man aboard.
Okay, we can see him spouting right here. Hey girl, are you gonna see some whales? Wow, whales! Breach, 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 breach.
That's not a big one.
Thank you. Is that out of the way? Yeah. Am I still doing this right? Oh yeah? Well, I don't know why there's so much tension. Maybe you need less tension on the furling line down at the white line.
Yeah, this one?
Yeah, there you go. So you just let it out slow. So you want to release this one and that one, and then you crank it in to trim it.
Got it.
Okay, there you go. Watch your footers. Your footers clear?
Yeah, they are.
Okay, and then so now feed this guy out. There you go. She's reeling. She's reeling. Whoop.
Hey. Got it?
Oh, wow. Got that done.
Oh, okay, good.
Now it is.
Look at that. Oh no. Is it gone? Still on there.
It's still on there.
No. No.
Really good. It's a resident fisherman. All right, good. Yeah, I'll take a look at those in a... So far, we've had a pretty uneventful trip, which is fantastic. Jordan is making some coleslaw.
Dish that has been hot.
Delicious. Yeah, everything looks good. We got a sail up. Chugging along.
This sail so far has been really relaxing, but there is a tiny part of me that is a little nervous after what happened last time on this passage.
And this is out here looking for oxo. Oh my god.
So for the Tehuantepec Bay, the Tapachula Bay, people choose to do one of two things. They either go, well, three things, but two is most common, through the middle and sail it and hope for the best. And then the 1 foot on the beach option, which is what we're doing this time. And it's literally like a quarter mile to a half mile off the beach. You just follow the shallows. And so far it has been really uneventful. We're about 15 nautical miles from where you'd consider the safe zone. The land mass of Mexico gets really skinny and the wind pumps over it, and it creates this wind turbine effect that is pretty dangerous. So tomorrow the winds kick up, and more importantly the swell picks up. Yeah, you have a shark, a little shark, and it gets super dangerous. So they're gonna see like 8 to 15 foot seas with a 5-second fetch. What does that even look like? So yes, it is now the second night and we're all feeling pretty good. I've been trying to take a nap, but to no avail, because this one says, "Mama, how are you doing? Do you have a shark gummy?" Yeah? And shark. Ooh, yummy. I like your harness. You look pretty. Mama? Hi. I love you. Ooh, what does it smell like? Oh. Motor sailing. You ready? It's picture time.
Okay, video. Violet, what is that? Can I see?
Whoa!
Letty.
Fish? Do you want to throw it?
Give it a toss.
Okay, we're gonna throw it over the side. Ready?
Mama, dile bye bye. It's gonna go home. It's night-night time.
Gonna throw it over? You can throw it? You can throw it. You can do it. Bye bye, fishy. Look, see,
It's
bye
like
bye.
weighing our options.
Oh, I think it needs to swim.
It does. We got to put it back in the water.
Bye bye. Throw it. Throw it.
Throw it.
Throw it.
Okay, send it back to its bed. It's night-night time.
Throw it.
Throw it. It needs to go see its mama. Oh no. Is it scary?
Bye bye, fishy.
Keenan filters over there. Dating profile has himself with a fish.
It's because we don't take pictures of ourselves unless there's dead animals involved.
That's true. Ooh.
It's a nice one.
Gotcha. All right, we're a mile away from Chiapas, and I'm feeling like it's a success. Nothing happened really, other than running out of fuel and having to bleed the lines, which I didn't film. I was a little miffed about because I feel like it's a little bit silly for me to miss that, but yeah, so it was just like motor sailing in a lake all the way across the Tehuantepec. I'm really happy, proud of us, and we're almost there. About 7 nautical miles to the mouth. It's high tide, so I'm thinking about getting fuel, and then we'll pull in and it'll be another docking adventure in Houdini. So we've got hands on deck, so that's good, and yeah, just really, really thankful and feeling good. So confusing back here.
Yeah. Well, and also, is it normal that we don't have another marker?
Thank you so much for watching. And if you can't wait until next week, you can check out The Daily Show. There's links in the description below. Exciting news! Sailing Miss Lone Star is going to be launching an app, so keep your eyes peeled for that. A huge thank you to my patrons for making these videos possible. You've been supporting me for so long. A wonderful way to support me is to subscribe, and it's free. I'll see you next time on Sailing Miss Lone Star.